with meteorologist Jeff Donovan.
Good afternoon. We are going to start things off with a look near Chiloquin and the Clamoya Casino. You can see some of those puffy clouds overhead. We are going to see some clouds developing east of the Cascades today and maybe even a few potential thunderstorms. It's also going to be a similar story that plays out in Siskiyou County, although for those of us west of the Cascades in southern Oregon, we will stay mostly sunny. Now, if we take a look at temperatures right now, we are at 82 degrees in Medford and 79 degrees in Grants Pass. Temperatures through Siskiyou County are in the low to mid 80s currently, and then east of the Cascades, we are tracking daytime highs, or temperatures right now, I should say. Temperatures right now currently sitting in the 70s, 79 degrees in Klamath Falls. Timing out your hour by hour this afternoon, you can see just how warm things are going to be getting. 90s, mid 90s by your 4 o'clock in the afternoon hour. In our west side valleys, we may see a few high passing clouds coming overhead later in the day, but we are expected to remain storm free. This afternoon around the region, you can see these daytime highs on your screen. Mid 90s today in our west side valleys, 60s on the coast, west of the Cascades remaining mostly sunny. Now in Siskiyou County, we are going to be looking at some showers and thunderstorms developing, especially as we go later into this afternoon and into this evening. High temperatures on the day will be topping out in the upper 80s to mid 90s, and then east of the Cascades, anticipated day where we will be looking at temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 80s. Also looking at some of that thunderstorm development, especially through the southern portions of Klamath and Lake counties. Timing out your Storm Watch 12 Stormcast, I'll stop this right around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see some of these storms starting to pop up through parts of Klamath and Lake counties, and maybe even some light development starting to get going through parts of Siskiyou County. Later in the evening, especially as we get to around your 6, 7, 8 o'clock hour, that's when we will start to see these systems moving west. Still looking at some thunderstorms potentially through Klamath County, but it's as we get into the evening that we are really going to start seeing stuff ramping up in Siskiyou County. Progressing further in Stormcast, storm activity will taper off overnight tonight, and that will set up a calm and sunny Friday for everyone in southern Oregon and northern California. Now, with the risk of thunderstorm activity today, especially in Siskiyou County, we are under a red flag warning beginning at your noon hour, so just about an hour from now, all the way until 7 o'clock tonight, because we could be looking at abundant lightning over dry fuels, sparking some of those wildfires, or at least sparking some wildfire concerns. Going forward, the script is going to flip from a thunderstorm conversation to a very high heat conversation. Especially as we get into this weekend. By Sunday, we could be pushing 110 degrees in our west side valleys and not really looking at any kind of fall off even as we get into later next week. There is an excessive heat warning for all of these areas in this pink color going into effect at 11 a.m. on your Saturday all the way until 11 p.m. on Tuesday, because we will be looking at daytime high temperatures in the triple digits, and even overnight low temperatures will only be in the 60s and 70s. One good place to go to beat the heat, or at least beat the heat in some sort of way, will be Crater Lake, where we will see high temperatures only in the low 70s over the next few days, and Crater Lake will stay much cooler than the rest of the region going forward. Another place that will remain relatively cool compared to the rest of the region will be right along the coast, where 60s and 70s will be the daytime high temperatures for the next 7 days. In Siskiyou County, chances of showers and thunderstorms, especially later this afternoon and into this evening. Sunny skies return Friday, triple-digit heat then Saturday, all the way through the start of next week. East of the Cascades, slight chances of showers and thunderstorms today. Even Klamath and Lake counties could see some triple-digit temperatures on Sunday and Monday. And then as we get into our higher terrain, a slight chance of a few thunderstorms today, especially towards the southern portion of the Cascades, before that sunshine returns Friday. And in our west side valleys, mostly sunny skies today, and then we really ramp temperatures up by Saturday, triple-digit heat, and those triple digits continue all the way through next Wednesday.
All right, definitely want to